welcome to KO Tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. As you can see over here, we have started with the modeling of this particular interior. So let's continue it. So now we'll be modeling this lights over here. So that's a kind of a chandelier over here. So for that, let's take a cylinder right from the top view. I'll just go over here. I'll just click on auto grid. I'll make a shape over here. I'll drag it a bit down. Let's reduce its height a bit. Convert to poly. Select the polygons. Let's give a bit of inset. Extrude it a bit down. Click OK. Now what I'll be doing is like very simple. I'll just go into this side view or any of the view. You can go into front or side. I'll just take a line over here. I'll off this auto grid. So let's go into this. I'll just drag it in this way and we'll just hang it till here. So select this. Go into interpolation. Let's increase the step size. Make it as radial. Reduce its thickness over here in this way. So this is totally okay now. I can slightly just shuffle it in this way. So if you want, you can push this a bit wider slightly in this way. So let's take a sphere. So I'll just take a sphere over here and reduce its radius. Convert to poly. Select the polygons and extrude it a bit up over here in this way. So once this is done, so I can just go into this. Let's put one swift loop. Select the vertices. We can just resize this. I'll just drag this a bit up over here. Go to the top view. Drag it over here. Shuffle it up. Again select this. Push it a bit down. Not much, but a bit. So again I'll go into this. I'll shuffle it from here in this way. I can just go into this. Let's just group it. Go into hierarchy, affect pivot only. I'll just set the pivot point over here. So I can just go into this. I can just right click on it. I can set it to 30 or I can set it to 45 degrees. Let's make the copies over here in this way. So as you can see now, I have created this copies over here in this way. So let's select this, exclude this, and let's just drag it slightly over here above the table. So let's just save the file once again. Now again I'll just import one stuff. Let's go into file, import, I'll just import one stuff over here. So I can just resize this. I'll just delete this. I'll select it. Select this stuff. So what I'll do is I'll use this over here. I'll just group this and I'll put this over here in this way. So I'll just utilize this over here in this way. We can make this 2 copies over here if needed, and we can rotate it, we can resize it if needed accordingly. Now again go over here, let's again take a swift loop, or else you can just give one connect. Let's give one connect over here. For the door section, so I'll just go over here. Let's again take one more swift loop. Let's take one more swift loop. So slightly, just you can extrude it out if needed. Again select this and slightly extrude a bit inside over here in this way. Oops. We now extrude a bit out. Select this both, extrude a bit inside in this way. Now again go over here, we can create the handles if required. Okay, we have this small kind of stones or something, we can just create that. Let's create a box over here. You can add some segments, convert, give turbo smooth over here, convert to poly, and let's give FFD box over here. Select the vertices, so we can use such stuff over here, convert to poly. So again go over here, mirror it in Z axis. So just push this up, again give FFD box, push this up, select this, push this out, select this, push this out, push this out, and you can make some changes like this, and let's convert to poly. So let's go into this. Let's take a line, just create a line. So enable in viewport, I'll off it, convert to spline, select the vertices, let's give a bit of fillet, and let's give extrude a bit over here, very less. So just drag it inside. So go into this, convert to poly, take a cylinder, just slightly increase its radius, convert to poly, select the polygons, again extrude a bit out, drag it over here, select the polygons, and extrude it in this way. So we can put one loop over here, slightly just drag this down in this way. Alright. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So few things are left out, which will be modeling it up in the coming tutorial. Alright. If you are not subscribed my YouTube channel, please do subscribe. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.